Let me just update you on news from the Ukraine that we had breaking in the last few minutes, and the president says that a Russian missile strike has killed more than 41 people in the city in the east of Ukraine. President Zelensky said that more than 180 people were wounded. Speaking in the last few minutes, he said it was a very difficult day with Russia and Ukraine specialists. While just tell us what we know and tell us about this part of Ukraine to the institution that Ukrainian. We are following at this hour coming out of Ukraine. We learned that two Russian ballistic missiles struck on educational facility and a nearby hospital in a central eastern region of Ukraine, killing at least 41 people and wounding 180 others. The information that has come in is coming from Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky. The strike occurred in the city of Poltava, which is the capital of the region of the same name. That's according to officials there. Poltava is located about 70 miles from the border with Russia and about 200 miles southeast of Kyiv. The strike appeared to be one of the deadliest carried out by Russian forces since the war began more than 900 days ago back in February of 2022. Now Zelensky did posted a video on his Telegram channel saying quote, one of the buildings of the Institute of Communication was partially destroyed. People found themselves under the rubble. Many were saved. All necessary services are involved in the rescue operation. Now he said that he had ordered Kyiv a full and prompt investigation into what happened. Zelensky did not provide any further details. Obviously, they are still trying to piece all of this together at this hour. The missiles hit shortly after the air raid alert sounded when many people were on their way to a bomb shelter. That is according to Ukraine Defense Ministry. They described the strike as Kyiv barbaric rescue crews and medic saving 25 people, 11 of them dug out from the rubble. That is again according to a statement, so a lot still left to figure out here. Folks, they are trying to piece all of this together, but unfortunately we do know that at least 41 people have died and 180 others are wounded. Sadly, those numbers could rise as they are just preliminary again. This is all the result of two Russian ballistic missiles that struck on educational facility and a nearby hospital over in the city of Poltava. As we get more